A blessed day. Again, this is Teacher G, hoping that all are in good health and no battles in studying and answering our learning task. Praying also and hoping that everyone accomplished the task from week 1 to 4. Today, we are in the 5th week. So, have a good day. Our topic for today is all about nail structure and nail shapes. Here are the objectives. 1. Identify the structure of the nail and different nail shapes. 2nd, describe the different nail shape applicable to the structure of the nail. 3rd, illustrate the different nail shape according to the nail structure. And the last one, appreciate the importance of knowing the nail shapes according to the nail structure. The first topic that we're going to discuss is all about the basic information about nail. So when we talk about nail, it refers to a plate of keratin that lies on the tips of the fingers and toes. So why do we have nails? So the main purpose of the nail is to protect the fingers and toes. However, the fingernail also assists with certain physical activities in daily life. The next part is the structures of nail. First, structure of nail is free edge. It is the part of the nail that can be filed and shaped. It is an extension of the nail flake that overlaps the hyponychium. Next is body of nail. It is visible nail that rests on the nail bed up to the free edge. This is made of brown dead cells and minimum amount of moisture. Next is lateral nail fold. It is the tissue that encloses the nail matrix at the root of the nail. Another is lunula. It is the crescent-shaped whitish area of the bed of a fingernail or toenail. Next is cuticle, the overlapping epidermis around the nail. It is the transparent skin which is called the true cuticle that is removed during the manicuring process. Again, the first part under structure of nails are free edge, body of nail, lateral nail fold, cuticle, and lunula. Here are the second part for the structure of nail. When we say nail matrix, this is the only living reproducing part of the nail. This is situated directly below the cuticle. Next is root of nail. It is also known as the germinal matrix. The root portion of this nail lies below the skin, underneath the nail, and extends several millimeters into the finger. It produces most of the volume of the nail and the nail bed. Another is proximal nail fold. It is the tissue that encloses the nail matrix at the root of the nail, attaches the nail to the rest of the skin through the protective cuticle. Another is eponychium, or also known as cuticle. It is the thickened layer of skin surrounding fingernails and toenails. It can also be called the medial or proximal nail fold. Its function is to protect the area between the nail and epidermis from the exposure to bacteria. Body of nail. It is visible nail that rests on the nail bed after the free edge. Para mas madali niyong maunawaan ang pagkakaiba ng nail bed sa ibang structure of nail, gumamit ako ng ibang illustration. So when we say nail bed, it is the pinkish-colored soft tissue underneath your nail plate. Again, these are the different structure of nail. Next topic is the shapes of nail. So the shape of nail conforms to the fingertips of one individual. First shape is oval nails. When we say oval nail, this is common among people with long, perfect nail beds. It may be styled slightly rounded at the base and slightly pointed at the fingertips. Most often, this type of nail has a natural look and looks very good in a short medium length. Another is squaval nail, the most universally flattering nail shape. These are the combination of the square and oval shapes. They are a modern and universally flattering shape with a flat or square top edge and slightly rounded corners. Next is square nail, the most famous among the nail shapes. It is created by allowing the nail to grow out straight and then filing the tip straight across at right angles with the rest of the nail. Next is round nail. This is ideal for shorter nails. The nail is allowed to grow out straight at the sides for approximately 1.5 mm and then the tip is filed into a rounded shape. Last is stiletto or pointed nail. It is another super trendy nail shapes. These are straight, long, and pointed nails which will make you to rock any event. We're going to proceed now for the steps in trimming of nails. The first step in trimming of nails, prepare the types of instruments for this task. Nail cutter has a small or medium slightly curved blades which are suitable for trimming the fingernails. Nail cutters with a straight blades are suitable for use. Next step is before using your nail cutter, make sure that it is clean. Wash your nail cutter to remove dust and germs, especially when you are sharing your nail cutter with someone else. Then, after that, dry it. Third, wash your hands. Then wipe dry with any towel or tissue paper to remove extra water. This process cleans your fingernails and helps in softening your nails and easier to cut them. Fourth, you must cut your nails in a place where you can clearly see what you are doing. Then, put a small container near you in which you can collect the nails. Fifth, decide the shape of your nails. Decide which shape you actually want. If it is oval, square, rounded, and almond or stiletto or pointed nails. And after deciding, lift the nail cutter and start cutting your nails. 6. Start cutting your nails starting from your little finger. 7. Click on the nail cutter that can cut through the nail. You can make at least 2 or 3 cuts of a fingernail until everything is snug. Follow the curve of the nail to get a clean cut. Check skin flaps after each cut and remove carefully. 8. Sit comfortably and crouch your knee side to easily reach up and see the nails clearly. Be sure not to sit up deep razor to prevent scratches. Adjust the position of razor if you feel any discomfort. 9. After cutting your nails, use a nail file to smooth any rough and odd surface of newly trimmed nails. When you file, do it in on tilt from the corner of the nail to go down. Last step is to apply some moisturizer on your hand to keep the cuticles moisturized and smooth. We're going to proceed now for answering the learning task from week 5 to 8. So, sagot lamang po ang isusulat sa lahat ng learning task. In learning task 1, you will just write the letter of the correct answer. In learning task 2, you will just write the shape of the nail. In learning task 3, you will just write the word or group of words that has been omitted. In other words, complete the sentence by choosing the correct answer on the box. In learning task 4, the story of Sammy, we will just write the structure of name and shapes. In learning task 5, matching type, you will just write the letter of the correct answer. In learning task 6, draw a fingernail in your pad paper, then identify the parts of the nail structure and give each function. In learning task 7, just answer the questions. In learning task 8, answer the questions by expressing your insights about the entire course in nail care. So this is the end of our topic. God bless everyone.